So we're going to pretend you're a new associate. I'm going to teach you the proper procedure on how to sign out equipment here in Cranberry. Bernard implemented this system to help supervise, signing out equipment. Unfortunately, based on the fact that we have too much equipment out on the floor when it should be here. Obviously, it causes issues with shortage when we actually need the equipment. You may have associates that might be out that day, their equipment's in their locker. It's not necessarily what we want, you understand? So I'm gonna run you through it. For the moment, I'm gonna assume that you do not have an ID, a barcode. Obviously, it's a pretty easy system. You can press any key. Obviously, he has a screensaver there depicting the instructions that you have to do. Press any key. It'll put you where you have to go. Go ahead. Okay. Any key. Alright, so in big bold letters, you have the instructions whether you want to scan out or you want to scan back in. Obviously, at the moment, we're scanning out. So what you want to do is press tab. Okay. Alright. So, for example, Bernard handed you an ID. You can use it for an example. But say you did not have it, the instructions are there over here that if you wanted to find out your ID, you would type in the first letters of your last name. For example, we'll use mine as an example. A-Y-L-L. So obviously, it picked up on my ID. So the next step would be tab, which will bring you to the next area, which is where you would scan out the equipment. So we'll use a scanner in this case. Now, he's equipped the scanners with barcodes. So we're able to actually We're able to actually scan out the equipment itself and have a trace as to who scanned it out and where it went. You understand? So once you get to that area, what you would do is grab the scanner, scan the equipment out. It would enter the data, and then to get out of this system and obviously enter the information into the database, you would continue to press tab. Obviously, press tab 3 times, and then you're out. So the information is in where it has to be, and the equipment is tagged to the user, and obviously he has an idea of who has it in case he has to look back and see who had it last. You understand?
It sounds simple enough. Now, where's this barcode located onto the scanner? That's my first